Hey everybody, Scott here with Big Rig Chrome Shop. We're here for another product spotlight. Today we're going to take a look at Brunner cab racks. We got in a ton of racks this week. They're a really high quality rack, really durable, a lot of different features, a lot of different options and different racks here. This one we're looking at is a 3-door rack with an open window here as well. What's really cool about these, they're a really nice latching system, but they have the powder coated interior with a shelf. They come with the chain hangers. Some of the different options have multiple shelves on them as well. It's a really cool feature. On the side of this rack specifically, it's really nice. It has that side access door. So if you're looking for a little bit of extra storage, we have that down here, which is really nice. And one other thing on these doors, they have a really high quality seal. So it's going to seal from any outside weather getting in. Really nice feature that you can get, or an accessory you can get with these racks, are the light bars. So all the different racks come available as an additional add-on of a light bar, and they all come with lights in them already, or you can get them without lights if you want to put in your own lights. Just a really high quality stainless steel option. They come with a backing plate to cover up those wires. We also have this bar on the top that you can put a strobe light on, just another add-on that you can throw on these racks just to add more features if you're looking for that. This rack right here is a full 3-door rack. It doesn't have those side access doors, but it has a ton of storage in the inside of this rack. You can see it's got 3 shelves. It goes really deep down in this rack, so a ton of storage. One other cool thing, if you want kind of a unified look, you have the top light bar like we talked about on that other rack, but then we also have a rear light bar. So not obviously for the cab rack, but it goes on the rear of your truck. It's just that seamless design, really high quality. It's a really heavy, durable bar with a polished stainless brackets, really high quality. One other option for racks that we have here in the showroom is the fleet design rack. It has that tapered look. You can also get that light bar on the top. This one doesn't have lights in it, so an option for you to put your own lights in if you'd like. There's a bunch of different options as well. You can get a 4-door rack, which is if you're looking for a ton of storage. We have those options as well. Like I said, different depths, different amounts of doors, a lot of different options. Come on down to Big Rig Chrome Shop. We have them all in the showroom here. They're going fast. They're a really hot item. We'd love to see you. We're at 3735 South Washburn Street in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. You can get us at 920-769-0611. All these racks are also online at bigrigchromeshop.com. Thanks a lot for checking out this product spotlight of Brunner cab racks.